just received the Elves box today. This is by Sophie and Toffee, and this is the premium box. And this is the February edition, and this is in a bluish color. And I'm going to open this here. So first of all, I see two cards. Animal Parade, exclusive animal silicone molds, and lots of cuteness. I like that. And here we have the list of what the box contains. So let's put that away and let's have a look here. I see again a lot of these cool things, and I'm going to save them. Then here I have, okay, let's put this aside and take the items one by one. Here I have a mold. Let's get into this one. It looks like an ice cream, a unicorn ice cream. That's kind of cute, with the drizzle and a tiny heart here and a little drizzle on the ear here. So that's a nice mold. The next one is also a mold. Let's open this one up. See what this is. That's a bear. That's a kind of a cute bear. And there's two small, tiny small bears here in the corners. You can fill up as well. A little star in the stomach. So this must be the second side for the ice cream mold. No, that's another ice cream mold. That's actually really cute too. A bunny. And what do we have here? Another mold. There we go. Let's what is that? A drink? A Mickey Mouse drink or something. So I have 4 molds here. And then of course I have UV resin, and this is the clear one, thin type. I have a tiny bag here. Looks like a tiny mold. Let's see. Yeah, that's gummy bears. Oh, they're so tiny and so cute. Love that. Then I have this big plastic bag here, and I have a sheet of stickers. Very cool stickers. I like these. So I'm gonna put them right here. Let's get to this little bag and see what's in here. First of all, there's some beads, and then that is some key, what do you call those? These locks things. They are also really cool. And there's more in here. That is some charms. Let's see which one we have here. That looks a bit like a dog. And that's giraffe. A giraffe. What do you call that in English? And a cat and a unicorn. They are really cute. And there was a little thing more down here. Glitter. Oh, that's a nice cool bag, this one. I like that. Let's see if I can get that out. Is that hearts or... No, that's just glitter. I like that. That's pretty. So that's what I got this time, and I'm gonna try create something out of all this. Well, I had a look at this sheet where it says what's in there, and number 7 is a clear film for shaker molds, and that was lying at the bottom of my box, so that was almost impossible to see. But it's there, so I can make the back side for these, so that's gonna be pretty awesome. So I'm going to see what I can figure out to do, and then I will do it. So I'll be right back. This one I made with things almost only from this month box. Only black polymer clay is something I had myself. Otherwise it's all from the box, and this one I also had from myself. So this is my result. Thank you for watching and happy crafting.